Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to make money with Snapchat. The question is, do you receive money from Snapchat? Unfortunately, Snapchat does not currently offer money transfers or any other way to receive money through the app. How much money can I get from Snapchat? Snapchat does not offer any money to users. If you are looking for ways to make money from Snapchat, you may want to consider promoting products and services on your account or creating content for brands in exchange for payments. You can create viral videos. The Snapchat users mentioned earlier have all been making money with Spotlight thanks to the success of their viral videos. The more your videos, snaps as they are called, are viewed, the better chance of you having earning a proportion the more than $1 million paid out directly by Snapchat every day. Create Snapchat ads for businesses. Like most other social platforms, Snapchat business model includes advertisement. With more than 249 million people using Snapchat every day, including 75% of millennials and Gen Z, there's no denying that advertising on the platform presents incredible opportunities for business. While the potential reach is great, most business owners, even many seasoned marketers, are not familiar with the platform or how to create successful ads on it. Leverage sponsored content or affiliate marketing. Instagram has been a popular platform for sponsored content the past few years, and Snapchat presents a similar opportunity. Users who build significant audience on Snapchat are able to promote products in exchange for a fee. As an influencer, you would be able to create snaps that showcase a brand or product to your Snapchat followers and get paid to do it. Promote your products and services through your Snapchat content. Snapchat offers personal and business profiles. If you want to run paid ads on the platform, you'll need a business profile. However, business owners can also have a personal profile just like anyone else. So, I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!